what is the Charities SORP and is it important to my organisation? Well, if your organisation is preparing year-end accounts following accruals basis, then the Charities SORP is an important document for you to be aware of. The Charities SORP stands for Statement of Recommended Practice, and it's a substantial document with many pages which basically outlines the guidance, the rules and the standards of how your year-end accounts should be prepared. It goes into detail about how differing transactions should be accounted for, whether that's income, expenditure or differing areas of the balance sheet, whether it's fixed assets, debtors, loans and creditors, and goes into detail how fund accounting should be carried out in your organisation. It also goes further than that. It outlines how your year-end accounts should look in terms of what financial statements should be included, the notes to those financial statements, and other areas of disclosure that need to be outlined even if they're not necessarily fully directly linked to those financial statements. For example, some really important disclosures around trustee expenses, related party notes, operating leases. They're all really important parts of the overall account, even if they don't necessarily link to your financial statements, numbers or key headlines. Another area of the SORP that is really helpful for organisations to be aware of is that it outlines what sections of your trustees' annual report should be included. So if the Charity SORP is something that you are not too aware of or you're involved in your charity's year-end accounts process, it may be really helpful to have a quick look or look at key sections of the Charity SORP so that you're familiar with what needs to go in your accounts and making sure that everything that should be in your accounts is.